Here. Sorry. Okay, so today I'm going to be making a car. So today you're going to be needing a base. A base because the base is for the car. So we're going to have a base. And I'm going to have a base. And I'm going to be needing, you're going to take one of these. I'm going to put one into the front. And then you're going to have one of these ones. A 6 one. And then you put them on the corner. You have to have 2 of these. Put them on the corners. So after you put them on the corner, you're going to have another one of these. You're going to put it in the middle. We're going to put it not in the middle, just on the other side. So it looks like a little bow. And now, in the middle, we're going to need a brown. So you put it right here, in the middle, a brown. And then you're going to need a gray. You're going to put it right there. And then, for the other one, we're just going to put 2. I think so. So, that's the first part, how you make it. See? And then, that's the first part. Okay, so, remember, you had the 2 blocks. And now you're going to need a yellow one. You're going to put it at the end. And now, you're going to put it at the end. And now, at the back of this base, you're going to get one of these browns. And you're going to put it back like that. And it's a 4-piece brown. It's 4. You got to put it like that. Okay, and then you're going to get another one. I didn't have another brown, so you could do any colors. And then you stick it on the other side. And now, you need to get these things for the wheels. And you're going to put it right here on both sides. And we're almost finished with the car. I'm going to need one of these, very little. You need one of these, and you're going to put it in the front of the car, right here. Right there. And then you're going to need these lights, so you could put it on the front of the car. There we go. There we go.